Hi everyone! This time, I'll show you the iconic Korean New Year's food Tteokguk, aka rice cake soup. In Korea, we count age as a year, not as a birthday. So on January 1st, all Koreans get a year older. We always eat Tteokguk on January 1st to celebrate that. In this video, I will show you the easiest Tteokguk recipe. Let's get started. I'm gonna make the broth first. Pour 3 cups of water into a pot and put the anchovy soup stock back. Now boil it for 30 minutes. In the meantime, put 2 eggs in the bowl and add a pinch of salt. Mix it well and set it aside. Now I'm gonna make the toppings. Cut the green onion into small pieces and set it aside. And crush the seaweed into small pieces. And set it aside as well. Now cut the beef into small pieces. Place the pan on medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And add a sliced beef. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then stir fry it. After 30 minutes, take out the soup stock bag. And add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a half tablespoon of minced garlic. Then add 1½ cup of rice cakes and boil it for about 3 minutes. This time, I'm gonna use this shape of rice cake. In Korea, we always use this sort of rice cake when making tteokguk. After 3 minutes, add the eggs. Stir them slightly. Then add a pinch of black pepper and season with salt. Turn off the heat in 2 minutes. That's it! Enjoy! Happy New Year!